All right, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we're going to be actually dealing with products. We want to be able to view all the products that we got available in our e-commerce site right here when we click on this button right here. Right now, we just got some static HTML. I went ahead and changed and deleted all my orders, and I went ahead and created some new transaction. I went to my thank you page and I put these parameters in there. All right, of course, we're getting this number one there. We'll remove that. You can go ahead and remove that if you want. All right, and that's that echo that we're doing. All right, but anyway, so we're gonna be working with view products, and this is gonna be a really cool section because we're gonna be able to view the products that we have, and at the same time we're gonna have a link that will allow us to edit that type of product, and that page is gonna be awesome, I promise you. All right, then of course after we edit and view our products, we'll go to add product. All right, and then we'll go to categories, and then we'll go to users. All right, and then we'll go to the extra features and start improving our e-commerce site a lot more than what it is right now. But let's go ahead and start right with the view products. So what we need to do is actually the first thing is have our application in a co-editor, right? So we need to have that here. Let me see, there we go. All right, so let's go to that page, view products, and see first of all where that is. It's going to be called products. All right, so this would be the page, and it's already getting included. All right, so what we need to do right now is create a function, and you should know how to do that by now. All right, so it's very easy to do that. Let me just go ahead and start taking out some of these things here that we don't need. All right, functions we do need because that's where we're going right now. We don't need the thank you page right now, or the cart page. All right, so let's go to functions, and right below display orders, this is backend functions here. We'll make another comment here, / and some asterisks, and say products, admin products. Just to have things separated a little bit so that way we can know what's going on. And we can make another comment here, send admin orders or whatever you want. It's up to you. All right, so the first thing is of course setting up the function, and we'll call it get products in admin. All right, so what is it that we need for this? Well, we're gonna do something very similar to what we did with get products. So why don't we get that and see what does it bring? All right, so this one is very simple, as you can see. All right, so what we'll do is we'll copy everything that's inside here. Oops. Oh gosh. All right, it just got me there. Sorry about that. It's just that when this window is in such a low resolution, I have this issue here. All right, so I'm just gonna copy everything and go all the way to the bottom where I got this and just paste it in there. All right, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, so what we need to do right now, let me just put this curly $sign there. What we need to do is change this delimiter here, right? Because we don't want to just output this. So let's go to products and let's see what's going on here. What we need is this delimiter here, this HTML. Let's go back and replace it. There we go, replacing it. Of course, this looks out of place, so we'll fix it up a little bit. And I'm just selecting everything and pressing Control right bracket or left bracket, that will move it for me. All right, so the first thing is we got the ID right here, so why don't we just take that out? All right, and we know how to do that. Row. All right, and this is the reason why we do the curly bracket, so that way we can put arrays inside the strings. So we say product ID. All right, and let's copy this. Let's take it to the next. The next will be the product title right here. And then we got a BR tag, which means it's gonna break, and then we can show the photo of the product there. All right, so we'll put the photo right here inside the source, and I think it's product image or photo. We'll check in a minute. And then the product category, all right, the category that belongs to. All right, so this one we're gonna have to use a function to go and loop through the category and see what category this product belongs to. We'll do that later. And this one will be, let's see, that's the price right here, the last one, price. All right, and we could also have another that will give us the quantity we have available, right? So that would be very useful. Let's go here and change the price with, well, not the price, copy the price and put maybe quantity. All right, so we got the ID, the title, the category belongs to, the price, and the quantity. Oops. There we go, quantity. Let's make another TD. We'll probably change this and make it more, make it better later, but right now this is what we got. Quantity. All right. All right, let's see if we have any errors, and if we don't, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and try to display this in the administration area by going to products, putting our PHP tags. Oops. There we go. All right, so let's go and see what's going on. Enter here, and there we go. Beautiful, right? So we are showing the, for some reason we didn't change that. I think we did not change that for title, product ID. I put it twice there. Sorry about that. Enter. All right, that's looking a lot better, isn't it? All right, so we got the price showing, we got the quantity that's available. All right, and as a matter of fact, we could put a delete button right here, and we could also put an edit button somewhere, so that way we can edit this. As a matter of fact, we'll put a edit functionality when we click on this picture right here. I think it's a lot better than putting a link somewhere else. So we click on it, we go to the edit page. Here we can click on it, put it and delete it. All right, so anyway, we're done with this lecture. On the next lecture, we'll continue improving this. So I hope you're enjoying the course, and I'll see you then.